Okay, we're now going to Walgreens. I'm going to be buying a toothpaste, and yeah, so it's kind of expensive to buy anywhere else inside the hotel. They have it, but I don't want to deal with that. I want to get it from here. You can see the huge sign over it says, you know, the city of Las Vegas, thank you. I don't know about thanks. Damn, it's windy over here. Super windy. What the heck? This thing's about to take me out. Shit. It is crazy. Oh my god. They got crazy windy over here. I'm a 170-pound fella, you know. But this wind almost felt like it could take me out easily. That's where I'm staying out, this Stroud Hotel. And I have to stay here. I wanted to stay with my sister, but they moved further away, and the Uber cost was gonna kill me, and rental was gonna be complicated to where the conference is. The conference is at the Aria Hotel. So now I'm just walking around casually, looking to go to the Walgreens. How you doing, guys? This city, everybody is actually very, very distracted. It's expensive city. I know the light is on my turn right now. I think I can go. Yeah, the light is designed for pedestrians. So you can see that it actually stays on pedestrian mode longer, which is very good. Okay, now I'm going to walk there to the Walgreens. We're going to be buying a toothpaste and shower, you know, and also obviously toothbrush. Yep, so still going at it. That guy's doing a smart move, buying a water. I need to do the same thing. I can't be paying for hotel water daily over there, so let's see if this car okay, thank you. I never know with these people in Las Vegas, so that was a very good gesture. This is their gas station. Yeah, looks like I don't know how much their gas price go for. There is the Walgreens. That's apparently the Kmart they have. Damn, that's a nice Range Rover Defender series, very new. Now the question is, how do I cross the street? It's a very busy street. Oh, there's a place named Sahara. And then obviously you always find the homeless people everywhere you go in America. Well, how do you even cross the street though? There's no pedestrian crossing sign. I was gonna go all right, we're gonna go. We're gonna make a run for it. Okay. Damn, this bus is like 2 tower. This city. Always something. Alright, now we're going to Walgreens. Walgreens up their game in terms of security. Head and shoulders would be nice. This is all designed for tribal size, so that's very good. I'll take one of that. And then we need a travel size deodorant. I see Allspice, but I want to see something else. Crest. It's not bad. That would be good for me to get that. Regular paste. How about this one? I'm gonna get this one.
Customer service needed in the shade needs department.
And then, or I can get the Cenodyne. I like this Cenodyne. This one is good. Vaseline is good. No dry skin. Ooh, now toothpaste. This one is everything. For 12, I'm good. Deodorant. Do you have a travel size deodorant though? Are they all locked up? Damn. Do we have anybody that can unlock this deodorant? Oh man, I need one, and then I need toothpaste. So let me go get the toothpaste. I'm coming back for the deodorant, because that is ridiculous. Oh yeah, toothbrush. Here's toothbrush. We got toothpaste, so let me get toothbrush. Probably gonna get something that's like $5. I'm gonna get this one. Nothing special, but it gets the job done. Or actually, I don't even need that. That's a lot. Let me just get a couple of this. 3 of those and be done with this. Let me fix this. Now, what I need is I need a comb. I left everything out. Okay, this is all the gross stuff. Do we have a pick? This is perfect right here. Okay, I'm running out of my hands to carry this thing, so what I like now is simply,
since I'm passing it.
I think it's in a weird spot. I'm just gonna ask.
I know, that's why I was because I wanted some products.
You know, it used to be quite like that.
I used to be addicted to this thing.
they're gonna take it away from me at the airport, so I'm not messing with that one. Now, okay, here's some deodorant we got.
Customer service needed in the back needs department.
I don't like Degree, but I gotta get Degree. Is this for man, Delph?